How to fix Minecraft launcher error code 0x1. Getting Minecraft launcher error code 0x1? Don't worry, here's how you can fix it. So first thing you can do is to go ahead and restart your PC. So click on your Windows Start menu, and then from here go ahead and click on this power button and then select restart from here. So this clears temporary bugs that often cause error 0x1. Second thing you can do is to update Windows. So to update Windows, go ahead and open settings. So click on WinI, and that will take you to settings. And then on the settings page, go ahead and head over into the Windows Update tab. And then from here, go ahead and click on this check for updates button. And if you find an update, go ahead and click on that update now button to update your Windows. Third thing you can do is to go ahead and run Minecraft Launcher as an administrator. So right click on Minecraft Launcher, and then you'll be able to find this. So click on run as administrator from here, and this will allow you to bypass permission issues. Fourth is to go ahead and repair or reinstall launcher. So to uninstall launcher, what you can do is to head over into the control panel and then click on this uninstall a program button and then look for Minecraft launcher and then right click on it and click on uninstall. So the last thing you can do is to go ahead and delete the Minecraft folder. So if the error persists, back up your saves and delete the Minecraft folder, then reinstall fresh. And that is how you can basically fix Minecraft launcher error code 0x1.